What's up everybody, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you simple and easy how to disable background noises while you're creating a video or other stuff, streaming and stuff like that. This is a simple and easy way. All you have to do is just follow me. So let's get started. All you have to do is just point your mouse down bottom right corner on this icon called speakers and right click and open up playback devices. When this window open, actually all you have to do is just find your main speakers. Are you using speakers or headphone? Doesn't matter, just find main device, and after you find it, just right click, and these are mine. So right click on your device and go to properties. Next step you have to do is just move to enhancements bar, this one, and all you have to do is just check this box, disable all enhancements. I already done it, so I'm just gonna show you how it works. So all you have to do is just check this box, disable all enhancements, and go to click on OK, and OK here too, and your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, just click like. If you want to see more videos of me, click subscribe, click on that bell to get notified when I release another video. Leave down a comment if you didn't understand something, so I'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks again, and bye bye.